upcoming hotel.
Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, will meet again in a new video with a new vlog.